Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream juice at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of your favorite ice cream, like vanilla or chocolate. Then, choose 1 cup of a liquid, such as orange juice, milk, or even a flavored soda. Don't forget any fun extras you might want to add, like fresh berries or a drizzle of chocolate syrup. Now, let's get blending. Carefully scoop your 2 cups of ice cream into a sturdy blender. Pour in your chosen 1 cup of liquid. Secure the lid tightly and blend on high speed for about 30 to 45 seconds. You're aiming for a perfectly smooth, thick, and drinkable consistency without any large ice cream chunks remaining. This is where you can get creative. To enhance the flavor, consider adding about 1/2 cup of fresh fruit, like strawberries or bananas, before blending. A tablespoon of chocolate or caramel syrup can also boost sweetness. Feel free to experiment with various ice cream and liquid combinations to discover your ultimate favorite ice cream juice recipe. Once your ice cream juice is perfectly blended, it's time to serve. Pour the delicious mixture into a tall glass. For an extra special touch, you can garnish it with a swirl of whipped cream or a bright red cherry. Remember, ice cream juice is best enjoyed immediately while it's still cold and creamy. Cheers to your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.